You're watching Sky Movies.
We're working undercover.
Patrick Swayze and Keanu Reeves. Point Break continues our undercover cop season tonight at 10 on the Movie Channel.
Press a whole lot of buttons, man. I was like
Coming up in the interview, we talk to Wesley Snipes about the futuristic action movie Demolition Man in a minute.
You people in England, think of the West Indies as a wonderful place for a holiday. When your boys come out here next February, they're going to have a holiday they'll never forget. Never forget. Never forget.
England's tour of the West Indies, only on Sky Sports.
It takes a super cop from the past to catch a super villain from the past. In the interview now, we talk to Wesley Snipes about his role in Demolition Man.
It's about cryogenics, and I play a bad guy from the future who's frozen in, well, a bad guy from the past who's frozen and thawed in the future.
Simon Phoenix, lie down with your hands behind your back.
What's this? 6 of you, such nice, tidy uniforms. Oh, I'm so scared.
John Spartan, 5864. Pulmonary activity approaching normal. Body temperature, 63% and rising. Biolink engaged. Laser defibrillation sequence start. Plasma transfer in 15 seconds. Plasma transfer, 10 seconds, 8 seconds, 6 seconds. Plasma transfer, complete. MTL complete.
The conditions of your parole are full reinstatement into the SAPD and immediate assignment to the apprehension of Simon Phoenix.
ACMAG now reactivated.
It's about time. Class is over, John. Time for something new and improved. Oh, hell.
He knows exactly where the guy is coming from. And then I pull out a hat out of a rabbit out of the hat. Then it's boom. Stallone tries to catch me again. Rather pesty kind of a guy, you know?
Okay, now what?
Buckle up. What is happening with the cops today? Huh? Don't you know you're endangering the lives of civilians?
He's a bad dude. He's a bad dude. I get along with him very, very well. High-end, heavy action. I mean, huge action.
What am I doing wrong?
Cryo prisoner reanimation sequence now entering final stage.
Demolition Man. You're watching Sky Movies.
Sound moves in waves, which is why JVC has created new Adagio hi-fi systems. Softly curved, ergonomically sculpted, with motorized panoramic speakers which tilt and turn, moving the sound around your room. creating everything from an intimate feeling to a concert hall, dance club or dome effect. Adagio Hi-Fi Systems from JVC, the shape of sounds to come.
Here are the latest headlines from Sky News.
I'm David Glencorse. Sinn Gerry Adams is saying the government is covering up contacts with the IRA and has told lies from beginning to end. Former Chancellor Norman Lamont has warned Kenneth Clarke not to raise taxes in Tuesday's budget, and the mother of Gemma Pikett, killed in a hit-and-run accident, has appealed for help at the scene of her daughter's death.
Sky News. On the hour, every hour.
From the Sky Satellite Network, this is Sky Movies.
Directed by Martin Scorsese, starring Robert De Niro and Nick Nolte, this is Cape Fear.
We'd like to remind viewers that the following film contains scenes of extreme violence. It has been certificated 10 and is suitable only for persons of 18 years and over.